Hi, I'm Scarlett. I'm a first year primary education student at York St John University, and I wanted to show you a little day in my life. So it's currently the Easter holidays, but I am still staying in York. That means that I don't have any lectures or seminars, but I do have some assignments to complete. So it's been really nice weather recently in York, which has been great. I got up quite late, which was really nice, had a bit of a lie-in, and then cleaned a little bit my room and the kitchen. I then had a little bit of an early lunch. I had some salad and some of a pork pie. It was great, really nice. I was sort of just clearing out my fridge because I am going home this weekend, and you've got to get used to eating for one person and not buying too much. And then I did some colouring, which was so therapeutic. Then I got ready to go into town. Something I love doing is going on Pinterest and getting like meal inspiration, putting some music on, looking at outfits as well, because I just got a new job and I need to dress a little bit smarter. I also do this when I want like study inspiration, but this was my outfit and going down in the lift. And then it was such nice weather today. I walked on the York walls to get into town. This is my favourite thing to do, especially when it's sunny. It's so nice to see the Minster. Then I went into the Waterstones cafe and did a bit of work. Then I enjoyed the weather, did some shopping. It was actually York Craft Festival, so I had a little look around there, which was really nice. There's always stuff going on in town. I then walked past the Minster and bought myself some flowers because I got the new job. I had a salad bowl for dinner, which was so nice. Did a little bit more work, even though I didn't want to. Then, as a bit of a break, I went to the gym, but I actually did my readings on the treadmill, which made it a lot more interesting. And then I watched a film and went to bed. Hi, I'm currently at home editing this video, and I just wanted to say, I got home today and I already miss York. Walking to the train station, it's so nice just to be able to appreciate where you live. And I think if you're moving to York anytime soon, just try and make the most of it.